listen to this song because music gives words, music gives feelings to things that we feel and we don't know how to articulate them. The sound of the drum awakens creator and divinity in us. The God in us is awakened through the sound of the drum. I want you to listen and let the God in you awaken, and let the divinity in you come through. We have just come through the most turbulent times. We just come through COVID-19. We lost loved ones. We lost partners. We lost jobs. We lost. But what music and drumming and dancing is pulling us towards is to find solitude and refuge in the divine in us, because rhythm helps us be regulated through the trauma of the past few years. We have been dysregulated. Allow the sound to regulate you. Let the sound minister to you. Let it speak healing to your wounds. You don't need to understand what the words mean, but allow for yourself to feel what you have to feel right now. If you need to shed a tear because you've been afraid, this is a moment for you to allow yourself to feel. Because what we cannot feel, we cannot heal. Allow yourself to feel it. Because if you can feel it, you can heal it. For he that is within us is greater than the one in the world. We are speaking about the spirit of the leopard, the original king of the jungle, because his divine intelligence is what many kings and queens that reigned before our time used as their navigation point. Allow the sound to reveal to you that which needs healing. Allow the sound to speak to you that which you've been running away from. Allow the sound to be the medicine you've been seeking for so long. It is the sound of the African drum. You have come home to the cradle of humankind. You've come home to your mother that has been waiting for her children to return to her womb. Now you have come home to your mother's womb. Allow her to hold space for you. Allow for her to nurture you so you can have more to offer. It is a moment for you to close your eyes, open them up, hold your heart, stand on your feet. Let divinity, let God in you speak, and allow for you to do, to be, and to feel. For this is a space. You are home now. Allow yourself